Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you have accidentally deleted an important email, then it is used to be stressful, but if you're using Gmail, there's a good chance you can still recover it. Gmail stores deleted emails in the trash, also known as bin, for up to 30 days before permanently removing them. During this period, users can easily restore these emails back to their inbox or any other folder. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to restore deleted emails from the trash bin in Gmail, ensuring you don't lose important information. Open Gmail or go to https://mail.google.com and log into your Gmail account. Go to the trash bin folder. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on More if you don't see bin or trash. Then click on bin or trash depending on your language settings. Find the email you want to restore. Look through the list or use the search bar with this format. To select the emails, check the box next to the emails you want to recover. Click Move to icon. It looks like a folder with an arrow. Select Inbox or any other label folder where you want to move the email. Now you can see the deleted emails restored to the primary inbox. Important notes: emails in the trash are automatically deleted after 30 days. So hurry up and restore your deleted emails in just a minute. If the email is no longer in the trash, you can try contacting Google support to recover permanently deleted emails, limited time window.